know the typical things that we need for a kit to repair our hand knits. Scissors, a finishing needle, a crochet hook for appropriate size for your yarn, and a couple of double point needles to pick up stitches to prevent them from being dropped even further. However, there might be one more thing you haven't considered. When I make a sweater, I keep a little bit of the yarn, although this is more than a little bit, this is a lot of bit of yarn. I keep a little bit of yarn from each sweater that I just nicely roll up, or I leave in the cake, and I save the information. So this one, you can see the color and where I purchased it at, all that stuff. Mainly what I want is the information I have written. This is to Miss Portrait, which I have knitted. Unfortunately on this one, I did not make notes on my tag as far as the needle size I used. I should have, but I heavily rely on Ravelry, so I can just go to my Miss Portrait in my projects and look it up. This one, this was Vintage Bouquet. The pattern is called Saturn's Return. I called it Vintage Bouquet. Knitted April 2018 is when I finished it. This is 32 grams of wool. This one, I made a cute tag for it because I don't like these big bands. I used Hue Loco yarn on Phyllis sock in the colorway We Love Cupcakes, and the pattern I knitted was Pavement by Vera Falamaki. So hopefully this is something new, and maybe you'll adopt this for yourself. If you ever need to fix your sweater, you have plenty of yarn on hand to be able to fix it, especially if you really love it and want to wear it for a long time. Happy knitting!